Hi, my name is Paul and welcome to a very special unboxing video. I got a new video camera and I'm going to show it to you right now. Here we go. So I ordered my camera from B&H because they are very reliable and very professional, and they're always available unless it's Shomer Shabbos. So let's crack this bad boy open. I got my X-Acto knife right here. And I'm also wired for sound so that you can hear me nice and easy. How does it sound? I hope it sounds good. Alright, I hope you don't mind. I did cut the sides prior to starting the video because I don't want to bore you to death. I'm going to come over here. And here we go, my new camera. It's a Panasonic, by the way, but you probably saw that in the description. Here's my B&H receipt. It has my address on it, but I'm guessing you can't see it from all the way over there. I hope. That's a lot of money that I paid for this bad boy, so let's check it out. Packing peanuts. Oh boy, this might be a little bit of a mess. And there it is, the AG-HMC80P or OP 0P, I think. You can't see it. I'm trying. Just hold on. I'll just put some of these on the table, because maybe they can be used for something else later. Maybe Big Kev has some eBay stuff that he is shipping out and could use some of these packing peanuts. Maybe I could ship the peanuts to him, which would be a little bit silly, but at least you wouldn't have to worry about anything getting damaged because they're packing peanuts. So Big Kev, if you need any styrofoam nuts, if you know what I mean, give me a call. A lot of peanuts. On a side note, I haven't had anything to eat for nearly a week. And these are actually looking tasty at this point. You say, what are you talking about? What do you mean you haven't had anything to eat in a week? Well, I've been on a juice cleanse where I've been drinking nothing but juice for 5 times a day. And you say, Paul, that doesn't sound healthy. Well, it's not like, you know, Hawaiian punch, because that would be nuts. It's a lot of fruit and vegetables in the juice. Highly concentrated, extremely nutritious, just not very, you know, tasty all the time. Sometimes it is. Anyway, so here's the box, and we're trying to get it out of here. Let's see if we can make this happen. You do want to be careful when it comes to this sort of thing. You don't want to rush it and damage your expensive product that you just purchased, you know what I mean? So just take your time is what I'm saying when you're doing your own unboxing video. Make sure that you take your time. Don't rush it. Enjoy it. Enjoy the moment. Because I've been waiting for this bad boy for a long time. A while, anyway. Cracking open the inside box, if you will. The actual box inside of a box. What's in the box? What's in the box? And here is a box inside of a box inside of a box. It's labeled accessories. So I'm going to set that aside for now. This is very exciting. Now there's a piece of styrofoam on here. I'm going to take that off. And there's my camera. Holy cow. I haven't ordered a new camera. I haven't purchased a new camera in about 6-7 years now. So this is really a big moment for me. Holy cow, it's big. It's huge. It's gigantic. Look at the size of this thing. That is a big camera. I had no idea. I had no idea. Here it is. Check that bad boy out. It's not the prettiest video camera in the world, but this is I purchased this for a very specific task, and it came highly recommended, and so I'm very much looking forward to getting into it and learning all the ins and outs. Interesting, very interesting. Okay, well, I'm going to set this guy to the side. Actually, I cannot believe how big it is. I have to get a new carrying case for it. Inside the box, we have just another piece of styrofoam, and that is it. Let's just take this box out real quick, just to make sure that there's nothing else hiding inside the other box, and then that should just about do it. Here, I'll show you the box real quick. There you go, the Panasonic AG-HMC80 memory card camera recorder. Very cool. Oh, it's the official worldwide Olympic partner. I very much doubt that the Olympics are recorded on these cameras, but that's okay. All right, so there's that for you. And put the styrofoam back over there real quick. And just check the inside of this box. Yep, just peanuts. So I'll just ship this box to Kevin later. And we'll move this out of the way. And then I will just come over here and get into this box of accessories. Let's check it out, shall we? Here is part of the power cord. And another part of the power cord, the other part. Battery, small battery. I wonder how much juice that's going to get me. Fortunately, most of the time, here's the power brick. Most of the time I'm going to have this plugged in to the wall. I would say probably 90% of the time with what I'm doing with it. So battery life isn't a huge concern for me. Here's the eyepiece for the viewer. Pretty big. So everything about this camera is big. Go big or go home, I guess. Remote control, that's nice and handy right there. I've got a strap. And then we move this piece of cardboard and we have some warranty, probably information, instructions right there. And something called the HMC book, the definitive guide to basically this camera and a couple of the other models. That is very cool. It's almost like a cookbook, but I think that that's really going to come in handy, so that's awesome that that's included in there. And actually that is it. So, give you one more look at the camera. The beast. Look at that thing. Holy cow. Wow. Look at the viewfinder. Here, old camera, meet your new brother. He's bigger than you already. So this camera is tapeless, which I'm extremely excited about. No more mini DV tapes for me, which is what I'm recording on right now. USB, HDMI, lots of cool stuff going on here, so I'm really excited to get into it. I will set it down right here, and I will say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching my unboxing video of my Panasonic H2N4697300ZZZN57. Kevin, if you're watching, you suck.